Welcome to China. I'm here at the Enhanced New Material Technology Factory to show you exactly how we build our world-class acoustic wall panels. Quality starts with the foundation. We use high-density, eco-friendly PET felt for maximum sound absorption, paired with premium wood veneers that bring natural warmth to any space. Precision is everything. Our advanced duplex nail machine ensures that every single slat is perfectly spaced and structurally sound. This is not just assembly, it's engineering for acoustics. We focus on the details that matter, no visible glue, no uneven gaps. Every panel that leaves our factory is checked for fire safety standards and formaldehyde-free compliance. The result is a product that doesn't just look beautiful, it transforms the sound of a room. Whether it's for an office, a home theater, or a commercial space, we provide the ultimate solution. Next project, welcome to partner with us. Contact us today for samples and pricing. Let's build something beautiful together.